Excited for Christmas and New Year but worried about overspending? In this video, learn how to plan a smart, DC-friendly festive budget so you can celebrate without money stress. Step 1. Fix a total amount you can safely spend for Christmas and New Year together. Add up your guaranteed income for December, subtract fixed bills like rent, EMIs and groceries, and use only what's left for celebrations. Step 2. Divide your festive budget into categories. Common buckets are gifts and charity, decorations and tree, food, sweets and cake, outfits and grooming, travel and parties. Give each category a rupee limit and write it down. Next, decide your priorities. If family time and home celebrations matter more than club entries, put more money into home food and gifts and cut down on expensive events. Choose two must-haves and keep everything else minimal. For budget-friendly gifts in India, think smart, not fancy. You can shop in local markets and wholesale hubs in your city for bulk gifts and decorations, often cheaper than malls. Use online marketplaces and deal apps to compare prices, grab festive sales, and apply coupons. Look for under Rs 500 or under Rs 1000 sections with items like chocolates, candles, keychains, mugs, and small decor pieces. To save on decorations and party supplies, buy basic items like fairy lights, paper streamers, and balloons from wholesale or local party shops instead of branded stores. If reuse last year's lights, ornaments, and gift bags. Add DIY touches, paper stars, handmade cards, and printed photos can make your home look festive at very low cost. Food doesn't have to be expensive to feel special. Plan a simple menu with 3 or 4 dishes instead of 10. Focus on homemade snacks, biryani or pulao, and one dessert instead of ordering everything from outside. Potluck parties where each friend brings one dish, cutting the host's cost drastically. Buying ingredients in bulk from local kirana or wholesale stores a week early to avoid last-minute premium prices. Instead of buying multiple new outfits, restyle what you already own by mixing jackets, scarves, and accessories. If you must buy, pick one versatile outfit you can repeat for both Christmas and New Year. Check end of season or online sales and avoid impulse buys just for photos. Some quick hacks to stretch your budget. Set a per person gift limit and stick to it. Use digital gift cards or experience gifts like movie tickets or coffee treats to control cost. Pay with UPI or cards that give cashback or reward points and track spending in a simple notes app before any big purchase. Follow a 24-hour rule. Add it to your wish list. Wait a day and see if you still want it. Track every expense in December in a simple list. When you see the total rising, it becomes easier to say no to extras. You don't need a lavish budget to create beautiful memories. With a clear plan, smart shopping, and a little creativity, your Christmas and New Year in India can be joyful and stress-free. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with friends who are planning their year-end celebrations, and subscribe for more money-smart content.